It's wonderful to have royal fables, and the Palace Karkhanas, the only platform right now where all the royal families and people who are reviving the handcrafted traditions of ancient India and royal India have come together on a similar and one platform.
I'm a fan of everything that they represent and the fact that they're carrying heritage forward without it becoming a gimmick.
It's a beautiful store, beautiful merchandise, and it's wonderful to see all the royal families of India getting together for this incredible new venture. I'm looking for Royal Fables to become a huge success and wishing you all the best.
That my artist is getting this platform all over the world, not just in India. So I really want to thank the Royal Fables team for this great opportunity.
Welcome to Palace Karkhanas, Royal Fables' first store, pop-up as of now. Dreams are big. Each collection here is made in about 25 royal palaces of India. Each one handcrafted by a local craftsman under the discerning eye of the princess or the Maharani or the royal family.
So the Palace Karkhana is a fantastic concept because it gives us a tangible location to showcase our work